Karma is all about the effects of your words, thoughts, and deeds. Every work done by us creates vibrations in the form of energy, which naturally comes to you in some form or another. People think that due to our past actions, the universe or the nature is punishing us. People think that the destiny is already decided. They think they have no control over anything that happens in their lives. Means the destiny is not in their control. Karma is actually a Sanskrit word which means action. And you know that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. People consider karma responsible for all misfortunes. Your actions are never judged by the universe. But people think that they have done wrong in the past and their destiny is the result of this. Actually, universe works on the feeling of what you want and what not. The karma theory are created by man, society and culture. Your past life does not influence what you will manifest in your life unless you decide that they do. It is only the thinking because it is constructed by us. Law of attraction does not take into account what you did last time. Say 2 years ago. What you create is a result of what you are vibrating right now. Your vibrations can be affected by your belief. Many of your belief originated in the past. It is through these old beliefs that your past can govern your present. Belief become powerful when thoughts give them power. The vibrations of belief affect you. You are getting bad experience because the belief is alive. You will have to kill that belief, but if you don't, it will affect your vibration. Your guilt bring you bad vibrations, but the nature does not harm you. It does not punish you for your actions. You cannot be punished for your bad behavior. Nature wants everyone to be happy. You are punished by the belief you have that bad karma will punish you. You you set that thinking in your mind. Fear and guilt help you to build that belief. Give power to belief. That power will work on you. But nature cannot punish you because of your past action. Karma does not allow the law of attraction. Emphasis on now is very important. Law of attraction says you do good, it will bring you good. You do bad, you get bad later on. What is good or what is bad is only your perception. So, what you feel is completely up to you. A man is born alone and dies alone. He experiences the good and bad consequences of his karma alone. Your current point of attraction is your energy in this moment. It has nothing to do with the past life or past good or bad deed in your life. Every frequency, every outcome, every circumstance already exists in billions of different vibration realities simultaneously. If you shift your frequency, then you can shift into a different circumstance immediately, despite what frequency has been in the past. When we experience something unexpected, it is not a result of past karma. It is a result of a series of chronic thoughts, pattern, and belief that you have gained momentum over time and have manifested. Thoughts gain momentum. This is promise of law of attraction. So certain events are inevitable. When you become conscious of these thought pattern and belief, you can begin to shift them, change the momentum, and redefine your current and future realities. You can change the destiny using the law of attraction. The only thing change after knowing the law of attraction is that you realize the initial potential of your soul, and the law of attraction empowers you to become a creator. You can change your destiny in 1 minute. Do you think this is very difficult or unbelievable? No, it is not. Change your mindset, which is very important to change the destiny. The outcome of your life is the outcome of your actions. Don't be in negative state of your mind. It is your mind and thoughts. You can change the thinking pattern. Your destiny will change. Bad things do happen in life, but don't think much about them. They are just by chance. Change the thought and focus on the good in your life. Take action, attract good things. Everything can be changed. Try it and make your own destiny. Thank you for listening me. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. If you have any comments, please write in comment box.